if you look at the squad that we tried to pick and the one that's here, then there's 15 players unavailable. A lot of players, but I want to talk about the lads who are not here. We've got to concentrate on the boys who are here, and they've been brilliant, really have. Upbeat, good in training, good preparation, and it's all new for some of them because they've never been with us, so no, the players have been magnificent. Whether I like it or we like it or not, you'd always judge on results. Simple as that. We've got to concentrate on Friday night, playing Macedonia, and trying to achieve a result. That's the biggest thing. I've said before, I'm here till the end of the campaign. I always said we've never ever walked from this job, even if we were doing brilliant and managed. As I said before, we're stocks and shares, aren't we? We're winning games and our stock's high. We get opportunities to go elsewhere. You're losing, then it's another story. But I've always said I see this campaign through, never ever deviated from that. And job in hands, Macedonia. How do we prepare? Who's our strongest 11? What changes may we need to make? That's as far as I'm looking, really. I think Craig's made the right decision in calling a day now. He's been a good servant. The next campaign will be a tough one, no doubt. If you look at him with Cardiff at the moment, he's playing here and there, and that just comes to everybody. That's age and wear and tear, as simple as that. But he's been a good servant. It's fitting that it's his last game for Wales at home. Is in Cardiff, it's his hometown in front of his crowd, so I'm sure he'll enjoy the night.